Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Your English Gurus. I was so eager to meet you all and I know you all were equally excited. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 English habits that are definitely going to make you a good English speaker. The first habit that we all must follow is read for 10 minutes. Reading is a wonderful habit. It's a great habit. But for that, you need proper time. Just dedicate 10 minutes of your day reading whatever you like. You can read newspapers, you can read novels, you can read biographies, autobiographies, you can read comic books, you can read your school study material, you can read whatever you feel like. But just for 10 minutes reading is going to give you miraculous results. Trust me on that. The second skill is write for 10 minutes. Yes, writing is equally important as your reading is. You can write whatever you feel right. You can write journals, you can write diaries, you can write anything you feel like, you can write your study material, you can write whatever you have learned in the class, you can write whatever happened with you throughout the day, you can write whatever you feel like. Just 10 minutes of writing is going to give you results which you could have never imagined before. So along with 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of writing is very important. The third technique is listen for 10 minutes. Yes, listening skill is equally important as your speaking skill. Once you start listening in English, you are definitely going to think in English. So listening anything you feel like for 10 minutes in English is going to give you great results. You can listen to your favorite songs, you can listen to your favorite author, you can listen to your favorite speaker, you can go for motivational speakers, you can go for some fictional character speaking. You can listen whatever you feel like, but only in English. Just 10 minutes of listening is going to be very important for you. The next technique is watch for 10 minutes. When I say watching, you can watch whatever favorite series you have, but yes, remember, only in English. You can watch your favorite drama in English, favorite series in English. Oh my god, there are so many platforms nowadays wherein you can listen and watch your favorite movies, your favorite series, all in English. One pro tip that I definitely want to give you all is avoid seeing the subtitles. Initially, when you actually don't understand anything, you can go for the subtitles, but eventually avoid or skip the subtitles, because when we watch the subtitles, we are unable to watch whatever is being portrayed on the screen. So remember, when you watch your favorite series next time, avoid using the subtitles. Just 10 minutes of this is going to give you great results. Now the last very important technique is speak to yourself for 10 minutes. Now when you speak to yourself for 10 minutes, you are eventually trying to speak whatever you have gone throughout the day. Whatever new words you have come across, whatever feelings you have come across the entire day. I've been telling you all quite in many of my videos that you all have to stand in front of the mirror, speak to yourself, because when we speak to ourselves, it's we who are going to judge ourselves. So we are away from public judgments, we are away from reactions of the people, which gives us a lot of confidence. Take that 10 minutes out from your entire hectic day and speak to yourself for 10 minutes. For making it more interesting, you can record yourself and also analyze this recording later on. I hope all these 5 techniques are going to be helpful for you, and this is not going to even take an entire hour of your day. These 5 English habits are going to make you good speakers, good writers, good readers, and amazing and confident speakers. So that's all for today, and if you liked my video, quickly hit on the like button. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to our channel and also share it with all your friends. And I'll be waiting for you in my next video. Bye-bye.